A fresh washing machine cleaner and machine cleaning wipes are designed to clean the inside and outside of all washing machines. To use the cleaner, make sure all clothing and items have been removed from the washing machine first. Then, place one tablet directly into the washer. Next, select a normal or heavy cycle with the hot water setting. If your washer has a clean cycle, then select Clean. For machines with a noticeable odor, run 3 consecutive cycles, using one tablet for each cycle. And be sure to use once a month to keep your washing machine looking like new. Cleaning the outside of your washing machine is easy too. Simply remove a wipe from the pouch, making sure to reseal it. Then, wipe the machine using both sides as you clean. When you're finished, dispose of the wipe in the trash. Never flush it. Use weekly to help keep your machine looking like new. And when used together with the cleaner, you can complete your clean.
With the Rack Magnetic Wristband, there's no need to search your pockets anymore. This innovative tool holds nails, bolts, and screws right where you need them. Never lose small parts again with 10 strong magnets strategically placed throughout the wristband. When working alone, this awesome tool is a great time saver, giving you a third helping hand for every project you throw at it. But it's not only for your wrist. Strap it on your waist and use it as a super compact tool belt. Our magnetic wristband is built to last with adjustable fit for every wrist and features a soft, breathable inner layer so you can work all day. This is the perfect gift for the handyman or do-it-yourselfer for any occasion. You won't know you needed one until you have one. Satisfaction guaranteed with a full 1-year return policy when purchased from Ad Hoc LLC. No questions asked. So what are you waiting for? Buy yours today.
Set up your Amazon Smart Plug. To get started, plug in your device and open the Alexa app. Before setup, check that you have the latest version of the Alexa app in your device's App Store. If the app version is not current, uninstall the Alexa app and then restart your mobile device. After you restart your smartphone, go to the App Store on your device and reinstall the app. Amazon Smart Plug might be set up automatically if Wi-Fi Simple setup is enabled. To confirm device registration, open the Alexa app, select Devices, and then Plugs. To set up the device in the Alexa app, select Devices. Select the plus icon. Select Add Device, and follow the instructions for Plug to complete setup. If you are having issues setting up the device, here are some things to try. If the LED does not flash blue after plugging in the device, check if the device has already completed setup in the Alexa app. Enable Bluetooth and location services on your phone. Grant permission for these services in the camera in the Alexa app when prompted. If you're using the barcode to set up, use the barcode on the back of the device or in the Quick Start Guide. Be in a well-lit room and make sure the whole barcode appears in the app guidelines. Turn off power saving mode or low power mode on your phone during setup. If you continue to have issues with the barcode scan, you can try a manual setup by clicking Unable to set up with barcode and follow the instructions in the Alexa app. If you are still not able to set up your device, reset it. To reset, press and hold the button on the device for 12 seconds. For more information, visit our help pages at amazon.com/Alexa support.
What if you never had to replace the batteries in your alarms? And the alarm lasted for 10 years. That's a decade of no battery replacements. It's totally possible with the 10-year series from First Alert. Simply activate your alarm, mount, and you're all set for the next 10 years. No more inconvenient and costly battery replacements for the life of the alarm. But wait, that's not all. The First Alert 10-year series is equipped with photoelectric sensing technology. Cutting back on frustration from nuisance alarms, you can now place your alarms closer to areas such as bathrooms and kitchens. Not only does First Alert bring you innovative 10-year technology, but we also cut the size of the alarm in half, featuring a pleasing, low-profile design. The First Alert 10-year series adds the peace of mind to help protect what matters most.
Over time, hard water and detergent types can cause unsightly mineral buildup that affects the appearance of your dishwasher and dishes. A fresh dishwasher cleaner is designed to clean inside all models and even works while your detergent cleans your dishes. If cleaning without dishes, simply place one tablet in the detergent tray. For significant buildup, a second tablet can be added to the bottom of the dishwasher. If cleaning with dishes, place one tablet in the bottom of the dishwasher. Then, run a normal wash cycle, both with or without dishes. And use monthly to help keep your machine looking like new.